Hello Quimic friends out there, welcome to my tiny little kitchen. And as you can see, our marketing department has not been avoiding any cost or effort to provide me with this beautiful t-shirt so I can look the best for you today. What I want to show you today is these two genius products, the Quimic Whip and the Quimic Classic, and with these two products we're gonna make a very easy, very quick whipped cheesecake. For the bottom of the cake we use cookies. These are amarettini cookies that we put in a mixer, and then we add a little bit of liquid butter, and we're gonna mix this up. When we have done this, we put the crust into the cake ring and we press it down a little bit. For our cake filling, we need 250 grams of Quimic Whip, 250 grams of Classic, 500 grams of cream cheese, sugar, lemon juice, vanilla. What I want to show you today is a method that you can do only with Quimic products, not with any other regular whipping cream. It's called a premix. Premix means that you can mix all the ingredients that you have in your recipe in a bowl, combine them, and when you have the mix ready, you can store them in your refrigerator and use them later on, or you can use it right away. And this is something that you can do only with Quimic products. We take the cream cheese, the sugar, the lemon juice, a little bit of lemon peel, and vanilla concentrate. Now, as we have all our ingredients in the mixing bowl, we can take a blender and blend all these ingredients together to our ready mix. So now we have mixed all our ingredients in the mixing bowl. We can store this now if we want to use it later on, or put it in the mixer right away and whip it up for our cake. So when we have whipped up our mix in the mixer, and I have just removed our crust from the oven, where I have baked it for about 10 minutes, we're gonna take our filling and we just put it in our cake ring. Yeah, for the strawberry swirl we have here some strawberry sauce, strawberries and sugar mixed up. I have here some melted gelatin, then we need a squeeze bottle and a chopstick. We mix the gelatin into the strawberry sauce. Then we mix this up. We're gonna fill this into a squeeze bottle and we put it on the cheesecake. Then we take the chopstick and we just mix this with our cheesecake filling. Now we can refrigerate our cake for a couple hours, and when it's completely set, we're gonna finish our cake. So our cake has been set and we're gonna finish it with the rest of the strawberry sauce that we already have inside the cake. And we just pour a little bit on the outside of the strawberry cake. So we take our strawberry sauce and we just pour it on the outside around the cake. So we're gonna put this cake back in the fridge for a couple of minutes to let it set, And then we finish the cake with some chocolate covered strawberries and some chocolate squares. So our cake is almost ready, and we just gonna decorate our cake with some chocolate covered strawberries and some chocolate squares. Finally, we use some chocolate squares to finish our cake. So our cake is ready now, and my heart goes out to all our Quimic friends all over the world. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope I see you again soon. Thank you.